This is a story that I have told before. I went to visit my grandmother the other day and she had a vacuum cleaner for me from one of their equally old friends. Bless them, God love old people. They pass everything on. Not quite as exciting as the AEG Electronic 608 which they got for me last time, but we have a Dyson DC19 to have a look at today, go through and see what we've got, see what's wrong with it or what it might need to become a working Dyson DC19 once more. I haven't looked at it yet. It came out of their garage into my car. I then took it out of my car and put it in the house, and here we are today, folks. Me and you together going to have a look and see what possibly one of the last best Dyson cylinders, even though they are renowned for burning out their motors, but that's just Dyson's rubbish penny pinching measures, I think, more than anything else. See if it's done that, because that's what they told me. The motor's gone. I don't know though, it's very clean. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, we have ourselves one of Dyson's older cylinder vacuum cleaners. Ooh, we seem to have a full assortment of tools as well. Tool holder and the wand. Fantastic, that box can go over there, and overall it's in remarkably good shape. Normally when I show this sort of rubbish to you it is absolutely trashed, but look at that. That is one of the cleanest floor tools we have seen for a long while. Crikey, the brushes on the dusting brush aren't all matted and tangled after years and years of use, and even the lint strip on the upholstery tool is intact. Wow, we're off to a good start already, I hope. And ye old Dyson wand again, not really a mark on the thing. I mean, I dare say that even, oh no, the tools do still wobble. Of course they wobble. Dyson tools always wobble because, well, they don't put any thought into how they can't. Right, let's cut this string, which is holding the hose on, I presume, because they didn't know that on a DC19 you can simply take off the hose like so and have it off of the cleaner. So, you know, there we go. Wow! Under there isn't thick with crud. This is all rather astonishing, really. We have our hose handle there, which is, yeah, wibbly wobbly central. God, Dyson tools do not last. It is one of my bugbears with them. This machine seems in very good condition, but the tools tell a slightly different story. It's spotless, comparatively. I mean, I think it's been used for a little bit of plaster dust, but even in there, look, you can see the heads of the screws. This is amazing. Wow. Let's jump straight to the post-motor filter. It's going to tell us everything, really. Yeah, I can smell it already. You can also see the bits of carbon dotted around the filter and a slight hole where things have melted. So yes, we are definitely dealing with a blown motor. Fair enough there. Everything else is quite clean, really. The filter is okay, dubious stain there, but I'm sure that'll wash off really, really nicely. Wow, this is one of the cleanest Dyson DC19s I've seen for a long time. Look, the shroud isn't covered in fluff and fur and hair. My oh my, we might have got ourselves an actually good machine for once. Right, we won't bother putting the filters back in, because for this before video, which is going to be quite short really, because the motor hasn't arrived, nothing's really here to fix this yet, that we can do much about. But, you know, I thought I'd show it to you. We double check. Look, underneath isn't scratched up. This is why I wanted to show it to you, because, I mean, normally all that down there is just gouged out from years of smashing on the chairs and the tables. Under there is all scratched up where it gets pulled over uneven things. There's barely any of that. This is an absolutely mint machine. Once it's been washed up, it's going to be amazing. Look, even the plug. Even the plug is nice and tidy. Let's see what the cord rewind is like, because just like the pretty dodgy tool connectors, Dyson have never been able to make a fantastic cord wheel. We've seen many on this channel. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. Zero power to put anything in but the cord, but it worked okay enough. I think for the want of a motor and a set of, well, a new post-motor filter maybe. Pre-motor filter's not too bad. And I think we'll wash up. We have ourselves, click, an astonishingly good condition Dyson DC19. I mean, it's got all the tools. It's spotlessly clean. It's amazing, really. Thank you very much, grandmother. Next time you see this, it should look even cleaner and may be, you know, one of the smartest DC19s I've ever had on this channel. But obviously we've got to wait for a few things to come until then, so stay tuned, and I shall let you know, well, YouTube will let you know when I upload the video of this thing being done, dusted and ready to go. But wow, what a clean machine. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and definitely this Dyson DC19 will see you soon. Bye bye.